At midnight, the typewriter on Thomas's desk clacked by itself. He'd found it at a flea market, its keys tarnished, ribbon frayed. He told himself it was just the wind, but when he sat down, the urge to type overwhelmed him. His fingers danced across the keys, words spilling out. A woman in apartment 4A gasps, clutching her chest as her heart stops. The next morning, sirens wailed. Mrs. Keene from 4A had died in her sleep. Thomas stared at the page, trembling. Coincidence? He reasoned, until the typewriter beckoned again the following night. He typed, "A stray dog is struck outside the building." A yelp echoed from the street, blood on the pavement. Thomas's horror grew, but the compulsion intensified. He tried to resist, locking the machine away. Yet at midnight, the clack-clack began anew, muffled but insistent. He found himself typing. The man at the typewriter feels his hands moving against his will. He cannot stop. He types his own demise. Thomas's fingers slammed the final words. As he finished, the carriage returned to center. He felt his chest tighten, vision swimming. The last thing he saw was the page stained with ink, and something darker seeping from between the keys.